Hey guys, my name is Antonio Lamigidis, and I want to show you something incredibly powerful. 6 degree. This program it's crazy. It can find almost anyone in the United States. Not only that, but it can accurately depict their specific demographic directly for your business. It is ridiculous. And just to show you how powerful this thing is, I've taken the time and liberty to download some national data sets that I've only gotten access to because I have special access to this type of data, just to show you the accuracy of it. Um, it, it can do two things. It can do prospecting or it can find individuals, but even in the prospecting mode, it can find individuals. So just to give you an example of that, but here's all my saved previous searches, by the way. But you can search for any specific individual here, right? In this case, Janice M. Ambroski, whatever. And I have a national data set behind me, all this thing here. I have to blur out most of it because of the fact that it's there. But essentially, look at that. It's founder, Janice. Let's see, one record. Does it match? 2635 Cherokee Ave, Fort Pierce, Florida. Janice, 2635 Cherokee Ave, Florida. So, I mean, it's crazy. This software has more than 300 million individuals. And not only that, but it can actually find the specific demographic. And because it has 415 plus attributes, it means that you can specify. If you want to find people who have pools in their backyard, you can find people who have pools in their backyard. If you want to find people who are actively investing in stock markets, you can ask that into the search box down here, by the way, and it will just find them for you. The list can go on, right? It just is a matter of your imagination. Just now, I'm going to give you an example here because I don't know, just to kind of prove what this kind of thing could do here. Okay, so my business actively looks for high net worth individuals because I run Solvent Capital Partners, which is a hedge fund out of the United States, and I need to look for accredited investors, right? So I need to look for men with a net worth or an income of over 250K plus only. So I'm only looking for men and women. In this case, I'm specifying just for men that have an income of over 250K because those are the only people that qualify for my business, right? So this can be done for any business, but in this case, it's just for this business. And there we go. We found 100. I've limited it to 100, but it can find you hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of men within there. So there's their estimated income, 250K plus, home value, $1 million plus. There we go. And you can see that they're missing their emails and phone numbers. So you know what? Even better. I'm going to say, I only want them to give me men with cell phones and emails that have that are on there. So cell phone, yes. Email, yes. So that way, it's going to show me literally only the people who have this specific demographic and only have their contact information available to me. So it just saves me hours and days almost. I used to do this day by day, but it would save me days. So it's found a bunch in Hawaii as well. You can see here the ones in Hawaii. So we've got their emails and their phone numbers. So 250 plus, $1 million plus. Wow, look at that. Got some nice houses over here. Got some over here as well. Wow, I've got some fantastically high net worth individuals, which are exactly my demographic for my business, right? Up here as well, we can see only have emails and phone numbers. Not only that, but each specific individual comes with a background check button, which you can just click. If the information is incorrect, it'll scrape all the data online. So in this case, I'll scrape this guy, Christian Carey. There we go. We found Christian Carey. So there you go. So now we found 4 or 5 more of his email addresses, just in case this one bounces, that we can use. in our email campaign and directly try to reach out to him. That's why this program's called 6 Degree, because it's literally 6 degrees of separation from every single person on earth, right? Not only that, but what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to go ahead and first of all, I'm going to save this as high net worth so that it stays in my program. So the next time I load back up in here, it'll actually have it. There you go. It's been saved. I'll also show more, so I can just pull a few more databases, and then I'll download it directly to my system here. So let's pop this up. Let's bring it up. So I've got one here. Let's open another one. Upload the file. Downloads. Go 6 Degree. Solving life. Solving global. And there we go. It's just all formatted for me. So now I've got 200 leads, exactly 100 leads that I just asked for, with individuals who are from the state of Montana and have emails and phone numbers with a net worth of over 250K. So these guys most likely will qualify for my fund, and I can get my employees or my sales guys to directly reach out to them, which saves me hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in time spent looking for lead gen. So anyway, I don't want to keep going about how powerful this piece of software is, but it's crazy. The data that it has is amazing and a little scary, but this is the world we're living in now, right? And this is the type of information that we have access to. And there are systems like this that will allow you to get ahead and find exactly who you're looking for. Because at the end of the day, it's just a matter of who you know. Not always what you know, but it's who you know as well. So anyways, that's it for me today. This stuff is crazy. If you want to check it out, there's a link in the description below. Definitely give it a try. All right, that's pretty much it for me. Take care.